Hey guys, I just want to do a quick update. As you can see, I'm snowed in and there's no getting out. So it was supposed to start snowing at 11 o'clock last night. It's 9:30 in the morning and nothing yet, just a little rain drizzle. I got some escape artists over here in the front yard. Stop it, Ace. I got nothing going on, just some rain drizzle. They have changed the forecast. They've changed the forecast, and now they're saying that it's gonna start snowing in a couple hours here, around noon. And they have also changed it, and it looks like now they're saying that we may only get a foot instead of 2 feet. So looks like it's as far as the blizzard that they told us it was going to be, looks like it's kind of a dud. But I will keep you updated, okay? That's where I'm at right now. As you can see, it's not bad at all. Just hasn't even started snowing yet. Have a good one.